to the Phys Ed Home. We are going to play an activity called ski jump bowling. This is going to work on your bowling technique as well as some fitness by doing ski jumps. The equipment you need a sock ball as a bowling ball. And since I don't have any cones, I'm using this TV remote as a cone, and next to it will be an empty water bottle as my bowling pin. Then, from the remote, straight ahead, I have 5 items I found around the house. You want to use small and soft items. So, 4 feet away from the remote, I have a sneaker. 6 feet away, I have a sock ball. 8 feet away, I have another sock ball. 10 feet away, I have a sneaker. And then 12 feet away, I have another sock ball. Now, here's how you play. You start at the item that is closest to the water bottle. You have to do a ski jump. Then you have to roll. Remember, step with the opposite foot and roll. Okay? If you knock it down, you set it back up, you retrieve your sock ball, you move on to the next item. Do a ski jump. Okay? Then you roll. Knock it over, set it back up next to the remote control, and move on to the next one. Ski jump. If you miss, you have to retrieve it, go back to the item that you missed, and then do another ski jump, and then roll it again. Okay? If you knock it down, you would move on to the next one, and then to the next one. Once you've hit the target at all 5 distances, you have completed the challenge. Let's see how Coach Gelardi does.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Yes, yes. Yes! All right, and with 14 seconds to spare. Let's see how you do. Try to get your personal best time. If you want to make this more challenging, you could always make these items further away. If you want to make it a little less challenging, move it up, okay? Have fun with this, and thank you for visiting the zone, the Phys Ed Home.